Hello, what's up? What's good, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, meant to gen. I wasn't meant to show that. I wasn't meant to show that. So, if you recall, yesterday we, you know what, guys? Yesterday was very amazing for my trading day. Smashed two trades yesterday. No single loss, guys. No single loss. I got a win here. Although in this particular trade here, I didn't take my full take profit, but I left at I think 20 hour. I left at 20 ticks profit because I couldn't wait, and also the market was about to close right here, and this trade take profit was hit. Very amazing trade. Um, was that yeah, that was my trade, right? Yeah, take profit was smashed here. This was I think this was yesterday's trade. Yeah, yesterday's trade, guys. I have taken three. Okay, no. Yeah, we took one loss. Okay, one loss and four wins, guys. As you can see from here, one win, second win, the third win, the third trade was a loss. But guys, out of five trades so far, only one loss, and the loss was so minimal that you won't even like. This is the loss right here. It was so minimal, guys. I'm dead as it was so minimal right here. Six ticks away from out. 6 ticks, yeah, 6 ticks. It was crazy because I was not meant to short this trade. Did I take this trade? Oh no, I didn't take this trade. I didn't take this trade, guys. No. I didn't take this trade. Oh no, I didn't take this trade. This wasn't me. This was a mistake. I was surprised because there was no losses in mine. Yeah, guys, completely four. Yeah, exactly. You know what? Let me clean these charts. I know I've made a lot of a mess, but I want you guys to know my thought process. Okay, I've already explained this one in the first video. So let's just focus on this one, which is my last trade yesterday, and I will give a pre-market analysis of what I'm expecting for the market to do today. Today, which is 28th of December. Yep. So firstly, on the first trade today, yesterday, where I saw, I've explained everything before now. Amazing trade, guys. Sorry for the noise. I'm really sorry for the noise. This is festive season, so people around are making, they're kind of blowing fireworks up and down. This was a good trade. I've explained what I saw in it. This was a nice turtle soup trade. Although I'm not really familiar with what turtle soup is from ICT, but I saw this and it resembled something that ICT always spoke about, which is turtle soup. But I'll go and learn more about it. I'm still learning anyway. And the market played out easily the way I expected it to play out. Just go and watch that video, guys. I've not explained this one. This was the second trade yesterday. Um, Guys, this was a very amazing trade. If I was more professional, I would have honestly not. I would have put my take profit right at this fair value gap right here, right here. This was where my originally. This is where my take profit is meant to be. But I plan to use swing lows. There was no swing low available for me. If I was using swing low, the only swing low I'm seeing here, the 3 bar swing low is this one, which is like basic. This is a super scalp, something I was scalping between. I was trying to get an intraday trade, but guys, this right here, I should have used this fair value gap because I just found out that fair value gap was very sensitive. But even if I use this fair value gap that was right above here, I stayed in the market and watched all these movements. I'm somebody who doesn't like to stay in the market for a very long time. I watched all these movements play out, play out, play out. And I was like, I'm at this point, I watched two equal lows. This is the reason I left the market early. I saw two equal lows, which is sign of liquidity resting below here, and the market has to come back and take this liquidity, no matter what. The market has to come back and take this liquidity. And I just watched it waste time, kind of sideways, went going up, coming down. I watched it live, and I left here, where already I took partials right here. As you can see, I wrote take partials. I broke even and took partials here. Continued. Then when the price got here, I took down back. I went back to my stop loss and I watched the market. But I've already taken partials. So continue. Went back to my break even again, and I was like, you know what? I think this is a good time to exit because it was getting to 4 p.m. No, it was getting to 3 p.m. I look for exit between 3 to 4 p.m. because this is when the market is trying to close. But now I learned something new that you mustn't leave the market. You mustn't leave the sorry, something's on my screen. Okay, now I learned something new that you mustn't leave the market till 4 p.m. because I left here at this point. I left at this point here. Guys, just watch price action. Price came down. Then I saw this again. I saw this other block. This is like a breaker block because it took a swing high, but it's not a swing low. So, but I just saw this other block, guys, and I was like, price can come back here, retest, come back here. As you can see, price came back and tested this block again. And took some time, took its sweet time here, and guess what, guys? It went to my take profit with just one candle above this 15 minutes fair value gap, guys. That 15 minutes fair value gap. Price just went on top of the fair value gap and boom, went to smashed my take back. But I was not in the market, so and like this is one of the things I really hate. Like I finished coming down, doing an analysis and doing everything, price action and everything, guys. Then all of a sudden, your trade doesn't go as planned, guys. Nothing is more. Wait, something is wrong. Oh, and nothing is more painful than this, guys. Nothing is more annoying than taking this loss. It wasn't a loss, but I couldn't wait for this, and this was almost 4 p.m. I next time, guys. Let's believe next time I've learned that I'll stay till 4 p.m. I'll watch the market play out till 4 p.m. No matter what happens. If my trader hasn't gone to my take profit, it's either going to hit my stop loss or my take profit till 4 p.m. And I'm allowed to exit because this is dead time. After 4 p.m. of the day is completely dead time. So I'm really angry that I left. If I stayed till here, I'd have taken profit, guys. But instead of you know 20 30, instead of almost 40 ticks, guys, I took 20 ticks and I left the market, which is not bad. But once you have left the market, you don't look at the future. Like you don't care about what's happening after them. The fear of missing out shouldn't be a problem. So let's go to today's let me clear the charts. Drawings. So um if you look closely, this is this is 28th of December, and people say don't trade on holidays like Christmas, and I'm like, don't trade on December. I'm like, why shouldn't you trade on December and stuff? So as you can see here on the monthly charts of NQ Nasdaq, as you can see, we have a fair value gap listed below, and the market has bounced off this fair value gap. So for this, I'm still bullish today. We are still going to the upside. I'm still bullish on the monthly charts, so I'll just take this out. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, on the weekly, as you can see, you have been bullish, straight up bullish candles today, this week, or let's say this October. Ever since October till this month, we have been bullish, going to the upside. I really love Nasdaq because it's just so clear. Like no noise, guys. There's no noise like forex. Yeah. So fair value gap posted below. Another one is here. Let me just do that real quick. Yeah, right there. So now fair value gap rested right below. Other block. Price came to this fair value gap, tested it, and went back to the upside. We have another fair value gap rested above here. Right there. Okay. You can see clearly. You can see that. I mean, guys, there is a lot of money to be made in the market. You know, if I was trading at this time, I would have let's believe I would have made a lot of money or lost a lot of money anyways. So we are currently under a fair value gap, a weekly fair value gap. Let me mark that. A weekly bullish fair value gap. Yeah. For now, I will take out all these fair value gaps that are rested here. Let me take them all out because there's no need for them to be here, honestly. I just want to keep a clean chart because yesterday my chart was my whole trade yesterday was very messy. My charts were messy yesterday. If you saw my trades, just check my second channel. You see everything. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, we dipped into that weekly fair value gap. Yeah, we dipped into that weekly fair value gap, and the price has reacted nicely. We have another block on daily. We have a slight, if you look closely, there's a slight other block right under this candle, but it's fine. There's nothing much to see here. We are still bullish, anyways, guys. We are going to the upside. Bullish bias today. I believe we have a bullish bias. Let's go to the 4 hour. I like to take my sweet time with analysis so I don't make a mistake. Um, so you should too. Take your time with this analysis. Don't rush analysis. It's not the best thing to do, guys. Please don't rush analysis. Okay. So if you watch closely, what do you see, guys? You see that, right? You have a small fair value gap rested under yes our candle of 27th, our yesterday's daily candle. Yeah, yesterday's candle. This is today's candles. So yesterday's candle created a fair value gap. You can see it was a bullish impulsive move to the upside. Very, very amazing, guys. Yesterday's trade was amazing. No single loss. Come on, guys. Don't play, guys. Not even one loss yesterday. I was so proud of myself yesterday, guys. I banged the trade yesterday. Easily. Easily. You watch it live on if you have my number on WhatsApp, you have seen this trade live. I did this live yesterday. Everybody was, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I've been trading ICT for a while, so you know what I'm saying. Yeah, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is a fair value gap right here. So as you can see, in this fair value gap right here, in this fair value gap, price went right above this fair value gap and tested fair value gap and bounced off. Just this just gives us more of a bullish scenario, a bullish this this bias is still in line with our monthly, our weekly, our daily, our 4 hour. So we are still going to the upside. That's very amazing, very good. The market is very clean today. Clean setup, no confusion, none of that bullshit side. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, if you look closely, you can see that that fair value gap I marked quite a while ago. You can see that it is now a fair value gap in 15 minutes. So we have kind of I'll make that fair value gap kind of thick so we can always look at it and see. Yeah, let me make it very thick. So yeah. So what you know me, I trade price action, so I really I take my time, I look at the price, I know what the can I have been studying candlestick patterns for a while. Like before I started learning ICT, I started learning candle patterns. It might not be the best thing you want to hear today, but trust me, best believe, guys, if you learn ICT with candle patterns together, you have a very strong superpower because that's like more confidence for you, guys. That's like more confidence for you. I think this is a bearish fair value gap. Let me mark that out. This is a bearish fair value gap, guys. Okay. Well, right there. Yeah. Right. Okay. I didn't mark. What time frame was this fair value gap I marked here? Oh, it's the 1 hour. Let me just make that clear because I want to know the time frame every PDRA comes in. So you know what we're doing in the market. We're here to make quick money. You know me, I'm a scalper. I just come in the market and make my money as soon as possible. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm out. I don't like to stay in the market for as long as that. Because once my time window is when I come in the market, the first 1 or 2 hours, that focus I give the market is the only focus I will give the market, and I want it to come out good. Even if I don't find any trades that day, I just leave the market and nothing else, guys, nothing much. So if you look there, is there's kind of a lot of fair value gaps and there's imbalances inside this area. So price has a lot of reason to come back down here, and yeah, price has to come back down here for a retest at least, maybe. Don't know. But that's what I'm seeing, because we have a lot of imbalances resting right. If you look here, you can see fair value gaps, under fair value gaps, under fair value gaps, under fair value. So this is the like a zone of fair value gap. So we need price to come back down here for retest and maybe go continue the bullish the bullish move. So I won't be taking any bullish trades till the price comes back down here. So I'll be trading into this fair value gap. Well, that is kind of like against the against the bias. Our bias is bullish, which is an uptrend. But what I can see here is that price came in and dug into this fair value gap, went out, dug in again, went out a bit, dug in again. So I think we're actually on the right path to go to the upside. So you know what? Let's not look at the downside, but yeah, I'll just leave that. This is a very clear chart. Nice candles. There's a nice story behind the candles. Doji reversal. It makes sense, guys. I always mark. Look at this candle here, man. Look at this. Look at this. Just look closely at this candle, guys. You see this candle here? It's called the doji candle. If, what does the doji candle mean? It's kind of it means that the market doesn't know what it wants to do, and it's a sign of reversal, a very big sign of reversal, and you can see the price reversed from that doji candle and it went to the upside. So I think we are kind of in a nice spot for an uptrend. So yeah, before we have liquidity entering the market, I think this is market open. If I'm to be correct, this is market open. So let's look at the 5 minutes. I like going from the 15 minutes down to the 1 minute time frame, but I don't like the 5 minutes a lot. It's not something I really enjoy. So let's go to the 1 minute, guys. As you can see in the 1 minute, oh, there's kind of noise here, but there's a most like there's a gap here. There's much more of a story in the 1 minute time frame. So what I want to mark now is my draw on liquidity. So my draw on liquidity, or what I can see here is let me just look for this. Let me turn my Asian range. So we have been in the Asian range for quite a while, you know. As we all know, Asian range is always consolidation, and you can see price action consolidating inside this fair value gap, and price just bounced off this fair value gap today. So I'll be marking the highs of that fair value of that of this Asian high. So this is my draw on liquidity, previous session high, Asian high. I'll mark that out. And one thing is that in our London session, price always goes for our highs and lows. Price swings high, takes Asian high and Asian low. So I have marked that out in the fair value gap. So always note that. Let me mark this out for you guys, so you guys can see it clearly. So give me a second. Let me move this back. So we want to see this price taken out. But what's the nearest liquidity? As you can see, the nearest liquidity is the previous session high. So I won't be looking at this low for now. Let's focus on the high. So in my trading plan, another thing I have there is that we want to look at PDRAs in that area of focus. So what are the PDRAs we have here? You already know what PDRAs are already. So I can't teach you. I'm still learning, so I can't teach. But you guys can learn when I'm trading. I think I'm quite a decent trader for now. Can't wait. Once I start making billions, you guys will be late. Trust me. So yeah, let me use this fair value gap. I'm seeing a fair value gap right there. Let's mark that out. I don't want to be trading fair value gaps in 1 minute time frames. I want to watch. As you can see, price has bounced off this fair value gap and reversed. So let's wait for let's wait for some price injection. I usually expect price to start moving. Yeah, the volatility of the day happens mostly. Hold on, let me check my tasks. The volatility of the day starts to happen as early as um yeah 10 a.m. New York time, which is um very very I think 7 hours from now. That is 10 a.m. New York time. So I won't be taking any trades. I'll just be watching, monitoring the charts and seeing what's going on here. But currently, I'm not taking any trades. I'll just be watching. So yeah, that's all for my daily bias and my daily, take on the market. So let's just watch what's going on. And if you like this video, like what you see, do well to subscribe to the channel because yeah, all of us are winning today. All of us are winning the charts. If you follow me on Twitter, I post my trades on Twitter. Sorry, on X. So you can go there and check. And yeah, I will see you. How many hours from now? I'll see you. I think 7 hours from now. Have a good day, guys.